Good morning student, welcome to the class. I am explaining you chapter 3, the cell. In the previous video, I have explained you about the cell theory. Now I am going to explain you about the number, shape and size of cell. Number of cells. Organism with one cell is known as unicellular. Unicellular. Example, amoeba. And organisms made up of many cells or their body is made up of many cells is known as multicellular. Example, human being. Elephant, tiger, insect. Now, shape of cells. Almost cells are round, elongated or sphericals. There are also some cells which are long and pointed on both the ends. In your book, there are diagrams of different shapes of cells. You have to learn that diagrams and draw it in your copy for practicing. One is there, red blood cell. Red blood cell is present in human body. They are round in shape. Red blood cell is round in shape. Then nerve cells. It's also known as elongated cell, shaped like a branch of a tree. Nerve cell, elongated in shape. Then we can take an example of amoeba. Amoeba is an irregular cell because they don't have any shape. It's keep on changing. So amoeba is irregular shape or irregular cell. Irregular cell. Now, size of cell. Every size of cell is 3 to 30 micron. What is average size? 3 to 30 micron. Micron is the unit of cell. Larger, 6 to 12 inches. Ostrich egg is about 23 centimeter and an elephant nerve cell is longest cell about 3 meter. Cell, the structure unit of life. As the number, shape and size of cells are different, the basic structure of components are same. Each part of our body is made up of cell. If you take out a small part of your cheek and you see it under the microscope, you found that so many cells are there in a small piece of a chip. Now, the functional unit of a cell. All the activities is performed by our body is due to the cells present in our body, like movement, like digestion, respirations. These all activities are done by cell. Now student, we have to learn about the basic structure of a cell. structure of cell consists of three parts: cell membrane, nucleus, and between the cell membrane and nucleus, cytoplasm is there. So it consists of three main parts, that is cell membrane, nucleus, and cytoplasm. Within the cytoplasm, there are hundreds or even thousands of structure present, which are called organelles. Now, dear student, first of all, I have to explain you about the cell membrane. Dear children, this is the structure of a cell. This is your cell membrane, which forms an outer boundary of a cell. Cytoplasm is within the cell membrane. Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. It separates the interior of all cells from the outside environment. Cell membrane gives shape to the cell. Dear children, cell membrane is selectively permeable and able to regulate what enters and exits the cell. What do you mean by selectively permeable? Selectively permeable is a property of a membrane that only allows certain molecules to enter and exits of the cell. Dear children, you have seen an egg. Those who are eating an egg, they daily have seen when you broke the egg, then you find a thin layer beneath the shell. That layer is only the permeable membrane. So, the cell membrane having two functions. First, to be barrier. It's a barrier, keeping the constituent of the cell in and unwanted substance out. What the cell don't want, cell membrane throw them out. Second function is it act like a gate, allowing transports into the cell of essential nutrition. Whatever the nutrient cell wants, it gives to the cell, and movement from the cell of waste product and throw the waste product out from the cell. Cell membrane are composed of lipids and protein. What do you mean by lipid? Lipid is a large group of natural substance that do not dissolve in water, such as natural oils and waxes. Cell wall is just outside the cell membrane. Cell wall is a non-living structure. It is made up of cellulose. Cell wall found only in plant and bacterial cells. It is absent in animals' cells. It can be tough, flexible, and sometimes rigged. What do you mean by rigged? Rigged means not able to change. Stiff means kathor. Main function of cell wall is it gives mechanical strength, maintain cell shape, and protect against infected organisms. Nucleus is a small mass present at the center of cytoplasm. Nucleus is a membrane-bound organelle that contains genetic material. It is surrounded by a membrane called nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope. This nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope is filled with nucleoplasm. inside the nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm is present. Nucleus has two major functions. First, it stores genetic material, and second, it coordinates the cell's activity like growth, metabolism and reproduction. It contains certain thread-like structure. In the diagram you can see there are thread-like structures are there. These are known as chromatin fibers. After the cell division, when the cell is divided, these chromatin fibers are become thick and are called chromosomes. Chromosomes contain DNA and made up of proteins. Chromosomes are responsible for the heredity and pass from parents to offspring from one generation to another. Human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes in each cell. During cell division, when the cell divides, we can clearly see chromosomes. Cell division is important for the growth and development of a person. A small irregularity of cell divisions causes various diseases like tumor and cancer. Cytoplasm is a thicker jelly-like fluid or solutions that fill each cell and is enclosed by cell membrane. It is mainly composed of water, salt and protein. Dear children, you can imagine cytoplasm as a jam which has lots of fruit pieces in it. Why? Because cytoplasm holds the internal component. These are the internal component known as cell organelles in place and protect them from damage and produce many substances such as enzymes, hormones and protein. Thank you student. We will meet soon in the next class.